hit
There's
that
a lot of
one.
frames lately.
I think. If I'm not mistaken, I think. Dear Brian put this one together. Not 100% sure, but it's been that long.
On them bronze things. I do love blue. Fire.
I still got some more stuff to do to it.
I have some tools out.
No, they stay back there. They're at home. Shane can't find them.
Shane can't find on there, that's right.
Real money right here. He had wheels crazy. Yeah, this nasty right here though, bro.
Fuel pressure regulator up here.
You can take this single.
Oh yeah. Easily.
Get some love outside.
Then I put the what's it called? Filling it in the tail light.
Oh, touching up. I thought he said messing up.
Just got the cap where you ain't gotta take it out.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. He got that damn steering wheel, boy.
Yeah. I gotta cut the dash on. Let me see if I can get the dash cut off. We gotta get those.
What up, man? I said Shane the main, but he was drilling. Imagine.
Just gotta even get some fits for the hoses here.
$20 fix. White wall and the white side strip go so crazy together.
But then the wheels what? Like that color wheels are different.
Yeah, I feel like all the SEMA type cars love this bronzy look. No matter what color their car is, no matter what combo they got, they go with this bronze look. Yeah, that one definitely. I don't know. This ain't an old ass supercharger right here, or this new?
Martinez is once we get done, they're gonna clean up the engine bay.
But I'm saying, is this an older
It's
supercharger?
older style.
That's what I thought. Yeah, you can't go to SEMA with this old. I'm just talking shit.
They ain't fucking worse cars I've seen.
No, for real, definitely outside.
Boy, I got that Ford.
Sound good though. Did not realize the damn exhaust was right there and just got hit with a puff of goddamn smoke. I know I'm about to be smelling like exhaust.
Well, it ain't changed yet.
No, I mean I was just saying I didn't realize I was going to the exhaust and walked right at that motherfucker. Yeah. What it do? What it do? We are at Kaotic Speed on this Good Friday. This one here about to go home. Supercharged, old school truck, Whitewalls, bronze wheels, Forgiatos, Wilwoods, frame off. Frame off. You really? Uh-oh. Pause on this real quick. Gotta pause on this. What up, Rose?
What's up?
This bolt here, it won't actuate.
Got the LT poster valve tweaking that hood. Just put that hood on. What up, what? Just spun around on you. And that goddamn install look good.
A small one.
What up, bro? That shit looks so good.
I know.
Sir.
That works. Perfect.
LT4.
You ain't got no
Go.
good lamps no more?
Alright. Back to the long bed. Alright, spark steering wheel. Try the vintage AC in here. Got a new digi dash, but it ain't digi, analog with the light. See my seat kit with the console. Black with the black plaid. Still gotta work them door seals in. Anyway, decent size lip on the back. It's real clean, man. Real clean. I know y'all don't mess with these old schools like that, but gotta appreciate them when they done up. crazy because from the inside it closed fine.
No.
Try and close that bitch from the outside. Shit, when I have like that. Big shit.
Another thing is, I think it doesn't have, like the newer cars have the vents when you shut them, the pressure.